Today we are going to prepare spicy and tasty paneer masala. First add 1 spoon ghee, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, kapok buds, cardamon, fennel seeds, bay leaf, ginger and garlic. Add chopped onions, add chopped tomatoes, add 50 gram cashew nuts, fry till everything is golden brown. Grind well in mixer grinder. Take 200 gram paneer and cut into small pieces. In a frying pan, add cooking oil, a spoon of ghee, bay leaf, chopped onions, chopped green chilies and fry until golden brown. A teaspoon of coriander, a teaspoon cumin powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon chili powder. Fry in medium flame for 2 minutes. Now add ground mixture. Cook in medium flame for 5 minutes. Add salt to taste. Add chopped coriander leaves. Now add paneer. Add green peas, a handful of kasuri methi leaves. Mix everything well and add chopped coriander leaves. Now close the lid and cook in medium flame for 5 minutes. Spicy and tasty paneer masala is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos.